Today, I will show how to buy shares of Mears Group Plc and outline the practical steps to follow. Mears Group Plc operates in housing maintenance and social care, and it trades on LSE PLC with the ticker MER.L. This is educational content only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MER.L to locate the listing for Mears Group Plc. Make sure you select the entry that matches the LSE listing to find the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart for MER.L. Confirm the company name, market LSE PLC, and ticker before proceeding to trade. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the platform link is in the description if you want to review the broker used in this demo.